Season 3 on Pool Hunters. We're taking you down south to Puerto Penasco, Mexico.
Welcome to Peñasco. Bienvenidos a los cazadores de la alberca.
Where there's hot senoritas and there's cold margaritas, we're going to be showing you some of the most exotic resorts stretched across the sands of the Sea of Cortez.
So sit back and relax. This is season 3, Pool Hunters, and we're bringing the heat.
Yes, yes! Season 3! Pool Hunters International, Mexico, we are here. We just got through the border. All right, we're taking you on a wild season this year. It is hot, baby, hot, smoking hot, 90 degrees out. We just made it through the border right now, easy. Border patrol, no problem. We're white, we're on vacation. Look, see, we look good. How you looking back there?
Good.
I can't read anything. Alto means stop. Vacaciones, I tell them that means we're on vacation. I know a couple words, Espanol. Muy poquito Espanol. We're gonna be down here for 4 days, 3 nights, all inclusive, okay? Pool Hunters got a full exclusive invitation down to Hotel Baja, okay? They emailed me, they want us to come down. 3 nights free, comped, because, well, we're the Pool Hunters, and we're obviously, oh, I gotta pay attention here. I see, I can't read any of these road signs. But we are in Soñita. We are deep in Mexico. I'm vlogging and driving in Mexico. Barely see the stoplights. The stoplights are so tiny, they just come out of nowhere. Then they put like random speed bumps in the middle of the road. So all of a sudden, we just hit this gnarly speed bump. But boom! We've hit like 10 of them already.
Yeah.
People are just driving on the wrong side of the road. It's just a wild mess, dude. It is crazy. But they got everything, man. They got Burger Kings, they got Jack in the Box, they got Sam's Clubs, they got everything you need down here, man. It's a fishing port. A lot of seafood already I'm looking at, man. It looks awesome, but it is crazy driving down here. People are just washing windows. Just, you name it, man. People are on, like, oh, here we go. See, look, we got a window washer right now. Please, órale, cabrón. Ah, chingón. Wash my window. Ah. Lock all the doors. Make sure, yes, lock that door. Is your door locked?
Yeah.
All right, good. That's what you do. You want to always lock your doors. If you don't lock your doors, boom, those open your door. Who knows? Hey, look at me. Get in the shot. You guys in the shot? All right, we're out here. We made it. Hotel Baja. We made it through. Right there, we got our room. We're gonna check in, and then let's see. I hope we got a good view. The pool's going off right now. Let's get in here. Come on, follow me. So yeah, this is Hotel Baja right here. Look at this place. It's quiet right now. 3 floors, 4-story or something like that. Lots of rooms, but this is a party palace for like spring breakers. It's not spring break right now. It's summertime, but is this 307? Yep.
Yeah.
This is our room right here. 307. Look at that. Look at that view. Oh man, this is gonna be sick.
I'm taking Spanish classes.
We gotta learn Spanish, dude. If we don't know Spanish, tres.
Sí, 3.
1, 2,
3.
3.
Están limpias, pero
¿Qué?
no son nuevas.
Sí.
Bueno,
Gracias,
a ver.
señorita.
ahí las deja en el cuarto.
Sí.
Bueno,
Gracias.
de nada.
Mucho gracias.
De nada.
We're the pool hunters.
Necesitan español.
We gotta learn español. See? Todas gracias. We are out here. First mission. Mission 1, Pool Hunters. Season 3. Season 3, Mission 1. Okay, that's where it
This
is.
is hot. Stairs are so long.
Mission 1, Pool Hunters, Season 3. Okay, this is our hotel though. So is this a mission if this is our hotel? No, I don't know if this counts as a mission if this is our hotel, but we did drive all the way to Mexico, so that's a mission in itself. And it's all complimentary because we are the Pool Hunters. Season 3, here we go. Swim up bar. We'll get into it. We'll get into all the details here pretty soon. Let's get into it. Season 3, mission 1.
Teach me how to swim.
Yeah. Welcome to Mexico, boys. We in paradise out here, man. This is how we do it down south. This is how we do it out in Mexico, okay? We're the Pool Hunters. Season 3, down south, Mexico. International pool hunting now. We're across state lines. Like international pool hunting now, okay? We took it up a notch. This is mission 1, no problem, let us right in. Little difficult to get the towels. Couldn't really get the towels, but we got them. She was a nice lady. We got to learn Espanol, man. We're not going to survive down here if we don't know Spanish. Espanol. Pool Hunters Season 3, Season 3. You ready? Oh, back in. Let's go. What do you think, Mexico? All right, I'm thinking about just buying a house down here, dude. This is the Pool Hunter Mecca right here. Look at this, dude. This is insane. This is insane. Mission 1.
Already awesome.
Mission 1. This is a heated pool. Okay, I forgot to go over the basics, but you could see it, dude. You got a bar, you got full service, you got your showers, water clarity, not that great because the water sucks in Mexico. But you got your palm trees, you know, you got your sunset going, swim up bar. This is our home base. We're staying here, so I guess I need a mission. Well, it counts.
Teach me how to swim.
Yeah! Mission 1, Pool Hunter Season 3. Let's get some dinner. What do you want? Tacos? Oh, that's
Tacos.
That's all we got in Mexico. Órale, chingón.